Today we're talking about étendre. It means to stretch. This term is derivative of étendu. So this is a follow-up to what we talked about yesterday with our plie. This is now the stretching of your legs after the plie. We will have bent, and now we have to straighten our legs. This happens right before we press off the ground for our jumps. That's also how we land. We have to go through that stretched position to go down. And that is why when we are in class, you will often hear like just an abbreviated version of what you need to do, and you'll just hear demi and stretch because that's the follow-up term. We're just using the English version at that point. I will see you tomorrow as we talk about the next word. I will see you then.